If you walk into an early childhood classroom, you will hear these phrases all the time. Gentle hands, walking feet, pack away time. It sounds repetitive, it sounds basic. It's neither. Those phrases that we use in an early childhood setting are neurological heavy lifting, and most people completely miss them. But young children don't come with pulse control, emotional regulation, working memory, so we lend them ours. Repetition isn't laziness, it's architecture. Let's talk about what each phrase we use means and what actually it builds. So, when we say gentle hands, it literally means reduce physical force. And what it builds is body awareness, pressure control, empathy, and boundary recognition. Children are learning how much force their body uses. That directly connects to impulse control and social safety. This is early self-regulation training. Walking feet means slow down, don't run. What it actually builds is inhibitory control, risk assessment, environmental awareness, safety decision making. You are teaching children to adjust behavior according to the context. That's cognitive flexibility. Let's use our words. That means speak instead of reacting physically. That develops emotional literacy, frustration, tolerance, and language processing. When a child verbalizes instead of hissing, language becomes the replacement for impulse. We wait. That simply means we are waiting for our turn. This develops delayed gratification, working memory, self-monitoring, patience. Waiting builds executive function, and executive function predicts academic and life outcomes more strongly than raw intelligence. Let's try again. Redo the behavior. That literally means redo the behavior. And what that builds is self-correction, repair, reflective thinking, behavior rehearsal. You are giving brain a second chance at wiring correctly. Imagine how different adulthood would feel if we were allowed to try again. If children only hear this language at school and not at home, the wiring becomes inconsistent. Regulation requires more repetition across environments. Teachers scaffold. Development needs alignment. If you are an educator, you are not just repeating yourself. You are building regulation. And if you are a parent, the language you repeat daily matters more than you think. If you want more research-backed insights on early childhood education, not trends, subscribe to Early 5. We build brains here. I will see you in next one.